Alright, again we see that 24 is made up of 9, 8, 7. 9 cannot be here, 8 cannot be here, so 7, 1, 8. Since 8 is here, 8 cannot be here. 8, 9, 1, 2. And this is 16 is 9, 7. Since 9 is here, 7, 9, 3. And 4 is 3, 1. Again, this is 7. Once you have 3 here, we have to have a 7 here. That's the only option. Again, 3, 1. 1 cannot be here because then we have to have a 10 here, which is not allowed. So 3, 1, 8. Again, 3, 1, same logic. 3, 1, 8 and 9. 8 and 9 is 17. Again 3, 1. 1 is already here. So 3, 1, 7, 5. 9, 8, 17. Plus 3, 20, 25, 26. Plus 7, 33. 24, 27, 32, 33. 7 plus 1, 8. Plus 5, 13. This is again 3, 1. 4 is 3, 1. 3 can't come here, because if 3 is here, we have to repeat another 3 here, which is against the rules. So 1, 3, 5. Same argument. 3, 1, 5. 3 can't come here. And 14 is possible, like this is 9, 8. 17 is only possible using 9 and 8 using in 2 squares. So 8 here means you have to have a 6, and this already has to add up to 6. So since this 6 cannot be here, so 9, 5, 8, 1. And 3, 1. 1 is here, so 3, 1, 3, 2. 8 plus 1, 9 plus 5, 14 plus 2, 16 plus 3, 19 plus 7, 26. 9 plus 7, 16, 21, 23, 26. And this is 10, so this will be 2, 12, to make it 12. The only, let's see the combinations. 9, 8, 7, 4, that is possible. 9, 8, 7, 4. 9 plus 8, 17 plus 7, 24, plus 4, 28. Or it can be 9, 8, 6, 5. So if it is 9, 8, 6, 5, we see that none of those digits can sit here, 9, 8, 6 or 5. So it has to be 9, 8, 7, 4, which means 4 has to be here. 9, 8, 7 cannot be here. 1, 2. 9, 8, 7 will be here. And since 3 is here and this is 4, it has to be 1, 3, 6. 1, 2, 3, 6 plus 8, 14. Again, this is 9, 7. 17 is made up of 9, 8, which means that 9 has to be here. We cannot have 9 here because if I put 7 here, it will be 10 over here, which is, and the largest digit can be 9. It cannot be more than 9. 6 plus 8, 14 plus 5, 19 plus 7, 26, 12, 20, 26, and this has to be 7. 6, 1, not possible. 5, 2, not possible. 4, 3. Only option is 4, 3. So 4 cannot be here because 8 plus 4, 12, plus 4, 16. So 2 4s will come, plus you cannot have 4 here. So 3, 4, 3, 5. 8 plus 8, 16. 5 plus 3, 8. Now over here, 10, 19, 26. 2 plus 8, 10, plus 9, 19, plus 7, 26. This has to be 10. Again, 9, 1 ruled out, 8, 2 ruled out, because 9 and 8 are already there. 7, 3 ruled out, 7 is here. 6, 4 is the only option. So 6, 4, if we have 6 here means we have to have a 3 here, and then we have to have 5. 5 plus 4, 9, plus 1, 10, 13. That seems to be the right combination. 6, 3, 5, 4. 1 plus 3, 4. plus 4 8 plus 5 13, that is 8, 6 plus 3 9, 11 8 19 25 29 36. Now we move on to this part of the puzzle. 1 cannot be, yeah, 1 can be here, of course. 9 9 8 7, and this has to be 10, and this has to be 13, and of course this is 9 8 7 as we saw. So if we have 9 here, 9 plus 2 11, and then 6 possibilities are there. 5 1, yeah, so 9 here means 5 1, that's the only possibility. 9 plus 1 10, plus 5 15 2, because you cannot have 2 here and you cannot have 3 here, because if we have 9 here, 9 plus 3 12 plus 2 15 plus 2 17, 9 plus 3 12, 9 plus 3 12 plus 2 14 plus 3, so 3's will repeat. So if it is 9 here, then we have to have 1 here. Let's see what happens if we have 9 here. If we have 9 here, we have to have a 1 here. 9 plus 1 10, 8. Or of course you can not have 2, because 9 plus 2 11 plus 7 18. 7 is already there. Or 9 plus 3. What about 9? 9 cannot be here. 9 plus 5 14. It's already 14. So with 2 you cannot make 1. You have more squares. 8 plus 5 13. 14 15. 1 will repeat. So 7 is here. 7 plus 5 12. 7 plus 5 12, and this has to be 3, which can be 1 2, which can be any way. And 8 we saw it is, let's see, check that again. 8 here means we have 2. 8 plus 2 10, and then this has to be 7. 1 6, 8 2 1 6 possible. 3 4 also possible. 8 plus 2 10 plus 7 17. So 1 6 3 4. So 8 can be here. So now we'll have to check the combinations judiciously. Let us say that we put a 1 here. Let's check what happens if we put a 1 here. If we put a 1 here, we end up putting a 2 here. So 1 2, and then 7 plus 1 8 plus 2 10 15, and we cannot have 2 here, of course, so 2 will have to be here. So we put a 2 here. So 1 2 2, and since I have 2 here, I have to make it 16. So 9 7 is the only possibility. Otherwise 8 8, it will be repetition. So since there is a 2 here, I have to go for 9 7. So that 9 7 16 plus 2 18, 7 plus 1 8 plus 2 10 plus 5 15, and that forces me to put an 8 here and a 3 here. 8 plus 3 11 plus 2 13 plus 4 10 17, and then we'll have 2 7 4. So 7 cannot be here, of course, because there is 7 already here, which means 1 is not here. So I just say that again. 1 2, that brings 9 here, because we are forced to put a 2 here. 2 cannot be here. 2 9 and 7. 7 is here, so that means clearly that is not the way it has to be. So we have to have a 2 here. 2 1. Now we see that if we have a 3 here, we have to make this 15. So 8 7 is not possible. 9 5 is the 9 6 is the combination. If we have a 3 here, 9 plus 6 15 plus 3 18. 8 7 is not possible because there are 7 here. So 9 5, 9, 5, 5 cannot, 9, 6, I'm sorry. 5, 6 cannot be here because it's 9 or 8 here. And then we are forced to put an 8 here and then a 1 here because 2, 3, 1, 8 plus 1, 9 plus 2, 11. Then again we see that we'll end up getting a 6 here. 6 plus 1, 7 plus 8, 15 plus 2. That means 6 plus 3, 9 plus 9, 18. 6 plus 2, there is a mistake here. 12, 13, yeah, that's correct. I'm sorry, 9, 10, 15. So now 1, which means that you cannot have 3 here. We have to have a 1 here. Because we tried putting 3 here, we have to have a 1 here. Let's see what happens if we have a 1 here. If we have a 1 here, I can have 9, 1, 8. 9, 1, 8. And that forces me to put a 3 here and an 8 here. 5 plus 8, 13 plus 4, 15, 19, 20. So that's the combination. 1, 9, 8. We exhausted 3, the possibility of 3 here just now. So 2, 1, 3, 8. 17 plus 7, 24, 28. 10, 13 plus 4, 17. 7 plus 8, 15 plus 2, 17. 9 plus 4, 13 plus 7, 20. That completes the puzzle.